Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to display recent product in WooCommerce product grid layout in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to display recent product in grid layout format. So we are using this plugin Essential Add-ons for Elementor. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation go to plugin setting. Now you see, and then you see element and then enable Woo product grid. So we enable this option and then click on save changes. So after that go to page and refresh the page, and then now you see plus icon, add element, so click on it. Now in search widget write Woo product. Now you see Woo product grid, so drag and drop here. Now widget added, and then you see layout. Now you see grid, so we select grid. Now you see multiple option more, and then you see style preset. You see default. Now you see simple style, reveal style. Now you see preset 6, so you can set styling according to requirement. So we choose simple style with add to cart button. Now you see column 4 we select, so you can set column layout for desktop, tablet, mobile. Now you see show badge. If you want you can enable, disable, so it's up to you. Now you see WooCommerce loop, and then you see query, so click on it. Source product, filter by recent product, so this is our latest product or recent product. Order by date, so you can select order by according to requirement. Order product count 4, we are going to show only 4 product in column. Now you see product status, publish, pending review, schedule, so you can set product status to display according to requirement. And if you want you can select product category, tag. If you want you can exclude product, so it's up to you. If you want you can show out of stock, we disable this option. Only show available product, on sale. If you want you can enable it. Product type, now you see product rating, disable. If you want you can show sold count, product price, product compare. If you want you can enable this option. You see compare button, and then you see image clickable. Now you see image. Now you see secondary image on our enable, so you can do setting according to requirement. Add to cart, custom text, load more. We are using 4 product only, so we don't need this option, pagination. Now go to styling. Now you see product, color, typography, add to cart, pop-up, compare button, so you can set color scheme, font style, font color according to requirement, and then click on publish. Now publish done, go to website page and refresh the page. So this is our latest product. Now you see. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.